today we are going to work on curly cues. And just like my last video on the bows, these are super easy and quick to make, and you can add them to all kinds of projects. So let's get started. So for this, you're going to want scissors, a needle and yarn, or sorry, a hook and yarn that go well together, and your yarn needle. So to get started, you're going to want to make your slip knot. And for this one, I'm going to chain 15, but you might want to do less than that or more than that, depending on what you're going to use this project for. So go ahead and do your chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, for mine, I use the back loops only across this chain because I find it just easier to work with when making these curly cues. You can go through like normal, but it gets tight, and so I just find it a lot easier to work with if I use the back loop for these. So you're going to go into that first one, and in every single stitch across, we're going to put 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, and 3 in that first stitch, and then put 3 more in your second stitch. So if you chained 15 like I did, you're going to have 3 single crochet in 14 stitches across. Okay, and again, I'm just going through that back loop only to make it easier to work with. Okay, and you'll already start to see it's starting to curve. That's exactly what you want it to look like. And like I said before, you can add these to all kinds of projects. They're super cute for like unicorns or horses. You can use them to make pigtails, all kinds of super cute ideas that you can do with these. And they're just fun to make, I think. Okay, and you can see it's starting to curve quite a bit more. And you're just going to keep going, 3 single crochet in each stitch until you get to the very end. As you're making your curly cue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love adding new videos, and seeing people subscribe every day is nice and keeps me wanting to make even more tutorials for you guys. And I appreciate every single person who subscribes or watches my channel. Oop, lost my hook. Okay. All right, we're getting a nice little curly cue now. Two left. All right, last stitch, and then we'll finish off. All right, and you're going to want a longer tail since you'll most likely be sewing this onto a project. So cut it long so you have room to sew it. And then you'll want to weave in this shorter end with your yarn needle. And just go through your single crochets with that. I just do it once and then cut your yarn. And there you have a cute little curlicue. You could even add these to the bows that we made in the last video. Add a couple curlicues, that would be super cute. This would be cute for St. Patrick's Day. Alright, and that is how to make a curlicue. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.